I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to show the battery percentage on the Nintendo Switch or Switch Lite home screen. Knowing exactly how much battery life you have left on your Nintendo Switch or Switch Lite can be really helpful, especially if you're in the middle of an intense gaming session, on the go, or just planning your next play session. By enabling the battery percentage display, you can keep a close eye on your battery level and avoid any unexpected shutdowns. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of your battery management and make sure you never run out of juice at the wrong time, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to your Nintendo Switch home screen and then click System Settings in the menu. System Settings options for your Switch are shown. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen and then click System. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Find Console Battery Percentage, which will be set to Off by default. Click Console Battery Percentage to switch it on. You'll now see a number next to the battery on your Nintendo Switch home screen, which represents the percentage of battery life your Switch has left. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.